Dell's XPS laptop lineup is about to look very different. Dell introduces major changes to its XPS laptop series, replacing XPS Plus and XPS 17 with XPS 14 and XPS 16. This modification provides larger internal space for improved battery life and performance. The redesigned XPS laptops could be seen as a competitor against Apple's MacBook Pro, mirroring its design elements. The optional Touch Bar feature from XPS Plus is now available across the entire lineup. The new, larger models accommodate bigger batteries, with the 14-inch XPS housing a 69.5 battery. This greater capacity is expected to improve the device's charge lifespan. The increased space also allows for discrete graphics and extra fans. The XPS 14 comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 option and up to 64 GB of RAM, an Intel Core Ultra 7165H CPU, and a 4 TB SSD. The XPS 13 remains as the go-to high-end business laptop, without any size increase. It uses Intel's new Meteor Lake processors and supports up to an Intel Core Ultra 7165H CPU, plus 64 GB of RAM and a 4 TB SSD. The XPS 16 replaces XPS 15 and 17, providing the same screen space but with less bulk. It includes an Intel Core Ultra 9185H processor, 64 GB of RAM, a 4 TB SSD, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 with 8 GB of GDDR6. All new XPS models feature a dedicated Copilot key for Windows 11 and FHD webcams. The XPS 13 starts at $1,299, the XPS 14 at $1,699, and the XPS 16 at $1,899. Availability has not been announced.